embarrass you or me because we're grown. But don't think you guys can do what you did. Don't think you can do what you
I'm not gonna listen to this. You got your facts wrong, so that's up to you.
Listen, don't come to me and think you can say hi with the dirty and disgusting spirit that you have.
You and Tiwa Savage used to have the same vocal producer.
Yes.
Could that be the reason why most people think you sound alike?
Maybe.
Because you guys were grown by the same person.
Well, actually, the person that you're talking about was my childhood friend, and we started doing music together. I think I was 14.
All right.
And we went to the same church, and we started working together. And then we made so much music together, and we created a sound together. But then he moved to LA, and he did some stuff on Chris Brown's album, and then Alicia Keys, and then he blew up. And we lost contact because I chose to go with From Above, and I chose not to go with him to LA. Okay, so I chose From Above, and then somehow Tiwa Savage got in contact with him.
Yeah.
And they made great songs together. And I think the only song that she and I have by the same producer is No Lele, and she has Love Me, Kele Kele Love by him too.
All right.
I want to talk about Tiwa Savage now, of course, and that comes up a lot whenever both of your names come up.
So let's not talk about it.
So Shay, and Tiwa, they're in this page, they're trying to sell the sexy, they want to be the Beyonce of Nigeria and all of that. What's your relationship with Tiwa Savage, first of all?
I don't really know her, so...
You don't really know her?
No.
That's weird.
It is your boy Wizkid, and I'll give anything for the new 60cl Pepsi long throat bottle. That's 20% extra at the same price. Grab yours today.
Let's talk about you and Shay. How are you all besties? I'm sure you've heard about her joining you as a Pepsi ambassador. How do you feel about that?
You are so... having an interview with this girl is crazy. See, I knew you were going to drop it in anyway. Everybody's heard. What? Am I happy for Davido? Of course. I love him. He's absolutely fantastic.
I can't with you, Tiwa. I really can't. But it's fine. We don't have to talk about it. I know it's a very sensitive topic. So let's...
We love you for a very long time. You love me when I get to die.
Yo, what you say, baby? Yo, let's go play Seek and Hide. Are you jumping on my car? Let me take you for a ride.
Love means so much to me, yo. No be what you do or what you do. Why you won't collect my lover. You be deceiver. Olofofo hati roba. Now I know they fuck with you anymore. I no get time for you anymore. You know I'm not savage, I dey pay my bills. You know go see my name for the SKO.
Grandma African bad girl, turning 45, still think that you can block me from my show, I can't block his blessings. We all know you selling pussy and it's so depressing. Whoa, and it's so depressing. Oh, you so fucking messy.
Because if God should take my child, God should take him. If I've ever said anything about you or Victoria Kamani, bitch, I'm made. I have money. I have nothing to take from you. I'm not going to be hired for a show and they'll say I should, because I'm getting.
You think that's all it is, Tiwa? If you want to start
Anything
acting
else,
out,
I've never slept
acting
with
like
your
an
man.
abaya right now. Carry on. I'm listening.
I've
Go
never
on.
taken a job
Go
from
on.
you.
The only reason why I hated you is to try and squash all.
You don't try and squash shit by saying hi. You try and squash shit by calling me in the corner and talking about shit. If I have an issue with you, I don't just say hi as if nothing. No, my nigga, you did a whole song. You and that bitch did a whole song. You went on interviews. You said shit. I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. Even before, if you don't open it. Your nyash is the dirtiest in this industry. You fucking horse slut. No, open it. Open it. So sick or too much delighting, too much regret. So sick or not. Everybody knows I work hard for my shit. You look at you. You look half dead. You are half dead. You look half dead. Look at your skin. You know what? For clear skin, you need to mind your business. That's what will clear up your fucking ugly skin. Look at you, bitch. Me.